Did you know a sneeze can travel as fast as 100 miles per hour? That's faster than most cars on the highway. Picture this. You're cruising down the road and suddenly your sneeze is going as fast as your car. Crazy, right? Sneezes are powerful. They can shoot out thousands of tiny droplets, spreading germs far and wide. Ever wondered why it's so hard to hold in a sneeze? It's because your body needs to get rid of irritants quickly. Covering your mouth and nose when you sneeze is super important. It helps stop the spread of those fast-moving germs. Next time you feel a sneeze coming, remember, it's not just a sneeze. It's a mini jet engine in action. So, keep tissues handy and sneeze responsibly. Your sneeze is faster than you think.